Alright, this is Steve. I'm going to have to talk over the sound of this hood. But what we got here today, or inside these 3 jars, is a precursor to a catalyst we make. This is 10 micron silica that has been coated with methyl aluminum oxane. Methyl aluminum oxane is a pyrophoric material, meaning that once it's exposed to air or water, it will spontaneously combust. It can just basically burst into flame. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to pour some of this out onto this aluminum pan. Methyl aluminum oxane is basically an aluminum that has methyl groups attached to it, and once the air and water get exposed to it, it'll start to oxidize the aluminum and generate methane, a nice flammable gas. Generally what happens when I do this is the pile, nothing really happens for the first few seconds, but it's a very exothermic process, so this pile will start to heat up. Once the temperature is reached where the methane will ignite, then things start getting a little more interesting. First I'm going to have this light on so we can see what's kind of going on, but as long as the methane, I can get it to ignite, then I'll turn the light off, and it has a pretty cool effect. So let's see, get this lid off. And pour it out on the pan here. It's starting here pretty quick. I'll go ahead and turn the light off. Looks a lot like lava. Basically, the surface of this pile is what's burning, while the undersurface is not ignited. So, kind of give the pan a little bit of a shake, expose more. Again, this is silica that has been coated with the methyl aluminum oxane. So actually most of the material in here is inert silica, nothing's happening with it. It's just the fine coating of the methyl aluminum oxane, which is reacting with air and moisture in the air, and the oxygen and moisture in the air. Looks a lot like lava. It's very hot. Earlier I was actually doing this in a Pyrex crystallization dish and it busted out the bottom. I'll turn the light back on. And you're essentially left with just like that. That's all the stuff I've already done. Doing this so that I have to dispose of this material, and I don't want to do so when it's still active like that, so you just let it sit out until it becomes a pile of silica and aluminum oxide, much safer to dispose of. Alright, well, I got a couple more jars to do, but I think that's enough for right now. Thank you.